Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna share how you guys can create realistic AI avatars like these channels that are making ton of money by just using these virtual avatars. And at this point, the AI lip syncing is so good that you cannot tell the difference between the AI and the real character. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a masterclass of AI avatars. Let's dive in. Well, there are a lot of other lip syncing platforms, but I personally prefer Design.ai. So you can see we have a bunch of different options over here, but we're gonna head over to the lip syncing section. And here we have two options. You can upload your image or your video, but we don't have any character, we don't have anything. So let's create a character from scratch. And for that, we're going to be using the consistent character feature. So simply click on that. And here you can simply train your character by just uploading an image. And for that, simply click on the build your character and click on the training mode. And from here, start with the image. Now we're going to give it any name, for example, Alina, and we're going to simply upload this image of this character. Now simply hit start training and this will take around 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, our character has been trained, and to use that we're gonna simply click on the Alina, and now you can see it has been added to the prompt section. Now you can simply type any prompt. For example, she's sitting in a professional studio, and then we have the option to control the camera movements. So if I just click on the camera, you can select different views, front, back, left, right, or you can even select the camera shots. That could be close-up, wide angle shot, full body shot, but we're gonna keep it default. Then you also have the control over the poses, so you can simply drag these points and you can create the pose of your preference. Next, if you want to upload any reference image, that's up to you, but we're gonna go with the default settings. Next, we have the options for the aspect ratio, and by dragging this slider, you can select any aspect ratio. Let's go with the 16:9, which is the most popular. And next we have the styles option. You can apply any style if you want to. We have different kind of styles. Realistic, this is a list of styles, but we want to keep it realistic, so I'm gonna turn it off and hit generate. Alright, so here we have it. Now we have a same character but in a different lighting conditions, in a different studio setups. Now in the same way, if you want to make any changes, you can simply type like give me the side view of this woman, and this will give you the side view of that woman. Now simply download your image and head back to the lip syncing feature. And here you can see we have two options. We have the image option and we have the video option. So for now we're gonna continue with the image option, and simply I'm gonna upload the image of a character. And now you can see it automatically detected the face, but if you want to select the face manually, you also have this option. So if I just select the face manually, here we have it, right? You can adjust this accordingly. Now simply hit next button, and from here you can select the aspect ratio. I'm going to go with the original one, hit next, and now you can see we have the timeline. So the image has been added to the timeline, and from here we're gonna pick any AI voice. So all of these are the pre-generated AI voices. You also have the option to upload your own voice. It depends on you, but I'm gonna go with any female voice. You can also listen to these voices.
I just love talking about movies, TV shows, really anything.
I think this one is good. Now simply paste your script and hit generate. So this is the voiceover result.
A realistic AI avatar in just a few minutes.
If you don't like the results, you also have the option to regenerate that. But I'm okay with this one, so I'm gonna hit apply. Now again hit generate, and let's see what that gives us. And here is the output.
In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to create a realistic AI avatar in just a few minutes. This isn't a real person. It's completely AI generated, from facial details to natural expressions.
And everything from lip syncing, hand gestures, motions, emotions, each and everything is on point. And the main thing is the lip syncing. So it's matching the facial movements very well. And even from the side angles like this one.
This is not a real person. It's an AI avatar. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make one step by step.
It still keeps that consistency. Even the voiceover, lip syncing, everything is perfectly matching. So if you want the multiple angles of your AI avatar without compromising the lip syncing quality, you can still do that. Now to take it one step further, you can even get the help from the Nano Banana. And for that, we're gonna head over to the image section and select Nano Banana Pro. Now we're gonna give it a detailed prompt like this. Well, don't worry, I'll leave the prompt link in the description below. So I made this prompt simple for you. This is an editorial prompt. In the subject section, you can explain your character. You can also explain the hair color of your character. You can explain the facial features. You can explain the eye color. So this is an editorial prompt. You can make any changes as you want. Then make sure to select the 16:9 and also the maximum resolution, and then hit generate. Now here you can see we have multiple different images over here. You can pick any one of them. That's up to you. Well, if you want to make any changes, you can simply define it. And once we have this picture, we're gonna again head back to the lip syncing feature. Now simply upload your image, and once you have uploaded, you can see the AI has automatically detected the face, but you also have the option to select the face manually. So once you have selected the face, simply hit next button. And from here, select the aspect ratio and hit next. Now in the next step, you can see we are in the timeline. And from here, go to the voice section. Now simply drag your script over here. And from the speed section, you can also control the speed, but I would like to keep it on the default. You can make it slow, you can make it fast. That's up to you. Now simply hit generate, and then you'll have the audio in front of you. And if you don't like the results, you can simply regenerate your voice. But I'm happy with this one, so simply hit apply. Now once you're done, simply hit generate. Alright, so here is the output.
In this video, I'll show you how to create realistic AI avatars, just like the one you're seeing right now, because I'm not real either. Let's start the tutorial.
And look at that. Each and everything is super perfect. The facial expressions, lip syncing, hand gestures, everything syncs with our audio. And if you upload your own audio, that will be much more realistic. So this was the first way of doing this. But if you want to make it more interactive, for that, we're gonna again go to the video section, and from here, select your video model. And here you can see we have all of different models. We also have the C-Dance Pro and these kind of things, right? But I don't recommend them. So we're gonna simply go with the Google VO3. Now simply upload your image and give it this simple prompt, woman talking naturally, hand gestures, and make sure that you have selected maximum quality. And now hit generate. And there we go. Now we have much more expressions, much more hand gestures, and this is now looking much realistic than the previous one, because the viewers want something that is very natural looking. Now simply download your video, and again we're gonna head back to the lip syncing section. And now we're gonna upload our video instead of image. And now simply give it a script. Again, I'm gonna use the same script, and from here just use a female voice and hit generate. And here is the output.
In this video, I'll show you how to create realistic AI avatars, just like the one you're seeing right now, because I'm not real either. Let's start the tutorial.
So you can see the lip syncing, hand gestures, everything is matching. Well, you can also upload your own voice to make it more realistic if you want to match the vibe, but this is also really good. And right now the character is looking much more interactive. So now you know how easy it is to make the realistic talking AI avatars. Well, you can use it for any other case, not just for the social media. You can use it for the AI UGC ads, you can use it for the talking head videos, you can use it for the AI influencers, and there are a lot of different use cases where you can use it. So using this method, you will not just keep your character consistent, but also your voice will be consistent. So this was a simple workflow of creating the realistic interactive avatars. I hope you find this video helpful. So if you want to check this out, the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. And that's it from today. See you in the next one.